Hello everyone, this is Nandini from CAD NEST Nagar. In today's session, we are going to continue with the modifying tools of AutoCAD. So next modifying tool I'm taking it as scale option. So I'll take up an plan. Assume if this being my plan, I'm gonna scale it. So whatever scale I do, I have to go to scaling, click on the object, give enter and specify the base point, same as that of copy and move. I've specified the base point. Now if I type value greater than 1, it gets enlarged. If I type 2, this gets enlarged by 2 times. If I type values less than 1, in the sense it gets reduced with the size. For example, if I type 0.5, it gets its size reduced by half of it. Right now I'll just type 2, enter. You can see the size of this rectangle has been enlarged by 2 times. In the same way, I'll take up scale again. I'll select the object, enter, base point, and I'm typing value of 0.5, enter. You can see the size has been reduced to half of the initial size. So this is how we use scale option here, and short key for the scale is SC, enter. SC, enter. So this is the short key for scale option. So after scale option we have explode. Explode is nothing but, see, now if I select this rectangle, all the 4 lines are getting selected as one single term, and if I need to select individual line of this particular rectangle, in the sense I need to explode them, in the sense I need to separate them, at that time I'll be using explode option. So select the object and then go to explode. Now select it, you will be selecting individual lines. So this is how we use explode option, and short key for the explode is EXP, enter. So this is how we use explode option. Next I have erase option. So take up erase, select particular object, enter, or select the object, erase, and short key for erase is ERA, enter. ERA, enter, select the object, enter. So this is how we use scale, explode and erase option. So I hope you have understood today's session. In tomorrow's session we'll be continuing with remaining modifying tools. Thank you.